Well, what I said is that two very big vaccine companies, GlaxoSmithKline and Sanofi, each have tetravalent dengue vaccines that are late in clinical development. Both of them will be testing either phase 3 or phase 2B studies, 3, 4, 5,000 size range in children in Thailand and possibly in one or more countries in the American region, starting this year, the end of this year, proceeding through next year and the year after that. And when those big studies are when the data are complete, we should have a better idea whether the efficacy of these dengue vaccines is fairly high. The seroconversion rates are actually rather low, but the efficacy, that is the ability of the vaccines to protect, may turn out to be higher, and we can only tell that by doing these studies. So we're at a very key, sort of pivotal time, I think, in dengue.
But do we need some adaptations to the Brazilian reality for it? I mean, for
no, I don't think so. I think both of these companies will probably test vaccines here in Brazil, so we'll know. I mean, we probably need to test vaccines in several different populations because there are differences in host response. Today you heard potential differences in the virus themselves, but up until the present time we don't have any evidence that the viruses differ that much, but the host population differs. So that when you give a vaccine to the Brazilian population, you may have a somewhat different immune response than say if you give it to a Thai population or something like that. So it's going to be very important for the vaccine trials to be conducted here in Brazil.